This is the orange list. Number 1 is crying. The baby was crying because it was hungry. Number 2 is replying. Replying to a birthday invitation is important so that the host knows how many guests will be at the party. Number 3 is studying. I am studying for my spelling test. Number 4 is enjoying. We are enjoying the warm sunshine. Number 5 is replies. He often replies, "No, thank you. I don't need any help today." Number 6 is stayed. We stayed inside the classroom when it was too rainy to play outside. Number 7 is copies. I need 21 copies of the reading test because there's 21 kids in the class. Number 8 was hurrying. We were hurrying to catch our bus. Number 9 is cries. Sometimes he cries for help when he gets frustrated. Number 10 is copying. I am copying all the notes into my notebook. Number 11 is stays. Miss Krickow stays at her desk almost all day long. Number 12 is copied. The parrot copied everything that I said. Number 13 is carries. Mom carries the baby across the street. Number 14 is staying. We're staying in a hotel over spring break. Number 15 is carried. I carried the groceries inside the house. Number 16 is hurries. The class hurries to get ready to go to gym class. Number 17 is cried. I cried when I stubbed my toe. Number 18 is carrying. Mr. Taylor is carrying several boxes of paper. Number 19 is replied. Miss O'Malley replied to the kids' request for a better movie. She said, "Oh, sure." Number 20 is studies. He studies in his bedroom sitting at his desk. Number 21 is enjoys. My dog enjoys going for a long walk. Number 22 is studied. I studied the pattern of the desks so that I could put them back where I found them. Number 23 is enjoyed. I enjoyed going to your house for breakfast. Number 24 is hurried. Miss Quintero hurried to tell us our instructions so that we could get started on our recorder playing.